Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate HSA employer contributions in Devenir, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate HSA employer contributions in Devenir, start by logging into your Devenir account. Navigate to the dashboard after you log in. Look for the Employer Contributions section on the dashboard. Click on that section to begin. You will see options for managing employer contributions. Select the Activate Contributions button. A new window will pop up with instructions on activating contributions. Read through the guidelines carefully. Next, enter the required employer information. This typically includes the employer name, address, and contact details. After entering the employer information, click Next. You will now see options regarding the contribution amounts. Select the appropriate contribution limits as per your employer's policy. Once you've chosen the contribution amounts, click on Continue. Review the information you have entered for accuracy. If everything looks correct, click on Submit Activation. After submission, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your email for the confirmation to ensure the activation is successful. If you encounter any issues, contact Devenir customer support. They can assist you with any questions you may have. Once activated, contributions will begin processing based on the schedule set by your employer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.